everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Yardcast. As you can see, it's fall, and that means it's time to pull up your summer flowers and plant winter flowers. In this case, that's pansies. Now, as you'll see from this video, it's a pretty quick and easy process. You don't need a lot of tools, and actually this whole flower bed took me 10 or 15 minutes to do. So, depending on the size of your flower bed, this is a really quick and easy project that you can knock out and really add a lot of color and excitement to your yard. Let's get started. For this project, all you'll need, in addition to your tulip bulbs and pansies of course, is a shovel, a hard rake, some gloves, fertilizer, and bark. The first step, of course, is to pull up the old flowers. Next, spread out some fertilizer. For flowers, use a 14-14-14 blend, preferably a slow release variety with micronutrients. Next, it's time to till the bed. You can do this by hand with a shovel, or if it's large enough, you might want to get a power tiller. Once the dirt and fertilizer is mixed up, rake it out evenly. Be sure to remove any rocks, weeds, root clumps, or debris that may still be lying in the bed. Now take your tulip bulbs and lay them out. Once you've got them where you want them, it's time to plant them. You can use a hand trowel for this, or you can just pull the dirt back with your bare hand. Make sure you bury them deep so they don't freeze. Also, tulip bulbs are shaped like onions, and you need to make sure to plant them right side up. Once the tulips are in, it's time to lay out the pansies. Take a moment to mix up the colors and spread them out the way you want them. When planting flowers, it's important to break up the roots a little bit so they spread out and grow into the surrounding soil. Just pull back the dirt, stick them in, and then cover them back up. Once the pansies are planted, it's time to water them. This first time it's important to water them really well, so make sure they get a good soaking. If you're not sure, stick your finger into the dirt. It should be wet a couple inches down. Once the flowers are thoroughly watered, it's time to add your ground cover. You can use bark or mulch, it's up to you. Just make sure you spread it evenly and brush off the leaves so that you don't bury the flowers. Finally, water the bed one last time. But that's it. That's really all there is to it. Now, pansies come in all different colors. I just happen to like the red, yellow, purple combination, but you can go out and find whatever colors work for you. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any thoughts or questions, you can email us at yardcast@gmail.com, follow us on Twitter at @yardcast1, and check out some of our other shows at trianglelife.tv. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you next week.